right, so first we're going to talk about what we did immediately before we started filming this series. So first was tires. The tires had really good tread, but they were dry checked and had some age. So to be safe, we went ahead and put 4 new tires on this guy. Paint seems to be in really good shape. This is called Nougat Metallic, right?
Yeah, Nougat Brown.
Yeah, Nougat Brown Metallic, which it's an interesting color. Sometimes it looks like rose gold, sometimes it looks like tan, sometimes it has a little bit of pinkish to it. It's a really great color. And actually we found out quite a rare color. They only made it for 2 years. So that was super cool.
Yeah, definitely looks like chocolate soft serve to me.
Yeah, exactly, yeah, especially that's melted just a little bit. So everything else on this car seems to be pretty straight with the body. We didn't really have any issues there. There's nothing really to do.
Right.
So the good. So like I mentioned before, we had the timing, or like I mentioned before, we have the service record. So the timing belt was just done. We don't have to worry about that. Fluids, all just done.
Yes.
Everything else has normal wear and tear on it. The interior of this car is amazing. It looks like it was maybe just traded in with 20,000 miles.
Yeah.
And the interior is Cadbury brown, so like the good old Easter eggs with the rabbit.
Yeah.
So as we get to the interior of this car, it's really, really in really good shape. It's pristine. Looks like it was just traded in with like 20,000 miles or something like that. The seats are in great condition. Dash is not cracked like most of these Porsche 944s were. Everything works on the interior except the radio and the sunroof. So that's when we're getting into the bad and the ugly. This radio, when you turn it on, sounds like Nikolai Tesla is trying to talk to us from beyond. And maybe tell us some sort of new secret or just tell us to turn the radio off. We don't know, but it's bad.
Yeah, I agree.
The sunroof, also, we get here, motor's dead, as well as it didn't have the clips back here. So when Sonny was driving it back, it liked to do this little blip, 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 blip.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It wanted to fly.
Yes.
So we're going to get the motor replaced. We're also going to get the clips and get this all fixed. Sun visor has a little crack in the bracket. We're going to replace that mounting bracket. Also going to get into some more of the mechanical issues here. So the brakes, they're good. They stop. They do all the things they're supposed to do, but they're super soft.
Correct.
So we want to get a little bit performance upgrade on the braking system here. We'll do a flush of the brake fluid, put new brake fluid in, and we'll replace it with some new pads and rotors. Additionally, the suspension, a little bit soft as well. So we're going to upgrade that with some new, with some new.
Yeah, Koenig style suspension components. So we're going to make sure this baby's track ready.
And then additionally, we are going to probably do a little upgrade to the exhaust, make it sound just a little bit better. Here at Exhausted Exotics, we exclusively use Crushproof tubing garage exhaust hose, made right here in the USA. Go to ExhaustAway.com to buy yours today. And probably do a clear coat, a full paint correction on the car, just to make sure that it's ready to go.
Yep. So it just pops.
So first things first, we're going to get started with something really easy that anybody can do on any car to be able to free up some air and some breathability within your intake system. We're going to go ahead and add this K&N air filter that we ordered. I love the idea of a washable air filter because it allows you to keep the same air filter going without dumping stuff into the landfill, so it's a nice green alternative. Let's go take the old one out. One of the things I love about these old cars is that you only have so many tools. Like now you want to work on a newer BMW or something new and innovative, you got these e-sockets and all these, you got 50 different tools that you have to have, but These old days, you have a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a set of metric sockets, and you're pretty much good to go. So we got 6 flathead screws and 1 worm gear hose clamp. All of them work with a flathead screwdriver. So it looks like we got a nice new good old Fram guy in here, so go ahead and save this for the future, I guess.
Hey, sorry I'm late.
Hey, no
Ended
worries.
up going to AutoZone up here, and then grabbed the part, looked at the box, and it was empty. So I ended up going to Mommy, and then this time I checked, it was still in there, so
Perfect.
I grabbed it.
All right, awesome. Well, hopefully we can get that radio out next.
Yeah.
I've been here. No worries about being late. I've been working on this air filter, just trying to get this knock out some of the easy stuff.
Oh, I love it. It's the KNN Performance.
Yeah,
Nice.
It should give us a little bit of more breathability.
Yeah, a few more ponies too.
That's right.
Nice.
So just about ready to wrap this up, and then we can get started on that that radio.
Perfect.
Damn it.
It did not sound like
Yeah,
the
it was
floor.
bad news. It's hard to get my.
Let me try.
Well, I'm gonna try to get it in this one. I'm gonna try to get it in there.
Sure.
I'll try to search.
Oh wow, Phillips? Or no, flat?
Flat, yeah. It's here.
Oh, do you have any of those magnets? It's probably at the factory.
Yeah, probably.
Let's see.
What does this go to?
Good question.
Oh, this is the. Oh, that's the overflow. It's supposed to be empty.
Okay.
All right, and that's it. We got our new K&N filter installed, so off to the radio now. All right, so we're here trying to get this radio out of here, and we're going to try to get it repaired so we can, finally listen to something other than extremely loud static. Well, it is fun to listen to the natural exhaust tones from this 190 horsepower 4-cylinder. It would be nice to be able to pop in some tunes. So
For sure.
So yeah, let's try to get this guy out of here.
So your prerequisites, this is what you're gonna need. It's called a radio tool. A lot of 1980s and plus vehicles have this. A lot of OEMs, Fords, Mercury's, a lot of import vehicles have this. So this is what we're gonna need. There's usually these 4 holes on the front of the radio mount where these things go in. You just basically push it in, and then the radio should pop out in theory. So we'll test it out today. Looks like out. I think this side's free, but I keep thinking it's just the front.
Yeah. Yeah, because of how those.
Yeah, because the
Faded
knobs are
knobs.
not moving. I think we released the front. Yeah. I'm gonna take this knob off.
Yeah, if you can. Some of these they make it to where it's like.
Let's see how it's on this one. Oh, it's a switch.
Yeah, it's a multi-switch.
Let's see if we can look at the tabs while this is pried up a little.
Can you get a little screwdriver?
Top part should just come off. It's just a spring here.
Yep. All right, and we got her. She's coming out of here. It's a nice snug fit.
Oh yeah.
There we go. All right, let's get this guy unplugged and take her over to the bench, Sonny.
Sounds good.
All right, so we got this Blaupuck Merino tape deck out, which these things are notorious for going bad. Lots of different electrical components over time go bad in these things. So we're going to try our hand at taking this guy apart. We're going to blow it out, try some connection cleaner, and see if we can get it to work. If not, I'll send it out to a place I found in Pennsylvania that specializes in repairing these. So let's get started.
It's in gear.
It's out of gear. All right, where's that cassette tape?
Down here. Yeah.